All right, so this is for those of you who own a GMC or Chevy vehicle that has these digital audio headphones from the factory in the vehicle for the rear entertainment system. We had one of these that this stuff pretty much just got torn, and they're pretty easy to replace. We ordered these off of Amazon, a little bit more cushiony to them, but you literally just slip the ring in, pop it off. I think these were, I don't know, $7 or $8 on Amazon. They come in a package of 2, so you can do 2 sets fairly cheap rather than replacing the entire thing. I think the set of these headphones is like $100. If you buy them individually, I think they're a little bit more than that, which doesn't make any sense. But here's the product: Bingo ear cushions. And these ones I think were for like a Plantronics or Planatronics pair of headphones, so these work great. All right, to take this little ring off right here, all you're gonna do, you got these little slots right here, and I'm just gonna take my tool. So I've got you can use a pick. This is a depinning tool for some other connectors that we use, but you're just gonna slide this in here, put light pressure in, and then lift up and it'll pop loose. Oop. All right, there you go. So you can see the little tabs on there. So you just got to push them in to release them, and then they'll come loose. Flat side goes towards the back, obviously, because that's where it's flatter, it's not round. It's going to go on like that. You're going to feed this in upside down into the earmuff or the padding, and then you're going to clip it back down. I didn't have to poke any holes or anything. The material's fairly thin, so just put it in there and then seat it back onto the headphone. All right, put the piece in there. You can feel the flat side is here. Literally just gonna line it up. So try to clip it down. Might be able to do this with one hand, maybe not. Let's see. See here, that's finished. All right. Now you got new inserts or padding on your Chevy GMC headphones for $8.